Hello and welcome to another video on Homewood Avenue lights. I'm Rabbit. In this video we're going to talk a little bit about what they call dumb RGBs. I use dumb RGBs as my floodlights. Not to be confused with the smart pixels. Those do run differently and those are a lot more complicated. You'll see a lot of videos on them. These are what they call dumb RGBs. They will do any color of the rainbow. That's what RGB is: red, green, and blue. And when you change different levels of them, it gives you the different color lights. The thing about dumb RGBs is they all do the same color. Where the pixels, they can intermix and do different things and all that stuff. These can't. Now you may wonder, like, well, wait a minute, I'm looking at these and this set of floods is doing different than this set of floods. That is because they are run on two separate circuits coming out of the controller. Each one has their own control cord going to it, but if I were to hook more to these, they would all do exactly the same on this circuit. This circuit, they're all going to do the same. That's one way. By running separate circuits to them, you can make them do a little different, each color, however you want it to do it. But you can't do the cool chases like that. You can, but it'd be really, really complicated to try to pull off a separate circuit for each bulb, and that's just not realistic. I use the floods. These are 10-watt floods. The other thing that is nice about the RGB dumbs, you're not limited on bulbs. You're limited on power. These take 10 watts each. You can run maybe 30 watts a channel or circuit, each one of them, depending on the board and all that stuff. We use the CMB 24. It's only got a 200 watt power supply powering it because these do run on 12 volts. So you have to have the power adapter that plugs in to your normal outlet, and then it powers your board and all that stuff. It sends on your power on this. Now the CMB 24, they call it 24 because it has 24 individual circuits on it, but each RGB takes 3 circuits. So when you break it down that way, you've got enough to do 8 circuits of RGB. This is one, and this is another one. We use our board other ways on stuff. I'll show you that in another video when it comes to our singing faces. Just another trick you can do with that. But it's all run on 12 volt coming out of the board. So this pretty much sums up what RGB dumb pixels can be. They're all going to be the same color. You can still do all the different colors, and I can steady these. I got them set on a program now where they're just changing the colors back and forth. I can set them to be one color the whole time, whatever. Each song I can personalize exactly how I want it, what color scheme I want it to be on it. This one I just happen to be doing a quick flash of the different colors. So hopefully that'll explain a little bit about the RGB dumb lights. Not to be confused with the smarts. You'll see several videos on the smart pixels because those are definitely more complicated. But hope this helps you a little bit. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. God bless. Be safe.